Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a super simple and easy manicure with stamping, and I'll be stamping with regular polishes. So if you don't have stamping polishes, you can totally do this with regular polishes, and I'll be sharing with you some tips so you can make it work. I'll be using some polishes that also glow under black light, which are one of my favorites. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first, I'm gonna apply my base coat. Today I'm using First Base from Essie to protect my nails, and as you see here, my middle fingernail has a different color, and this is because I broke that nail 2 days ago, so I ended up putting a fake one on top just to maintain the length. So now I'm gonna apply my base color. Today I'm gonna use Cirque Colors Flamingo. This is a very bright neon pink with blue shimmer and some holographic sparkles, and I'll be applying 3 coats in all my nails. Now for the stamping, I'll be using WhatsApp Nails B017 with this floral design and the Manology Ice Cube Stamper, and here's my code if you want to use it. Then for the stamping, I'll be using Holotaco Indigo Away. This is a regular nail polish. As you see, it's between purple and blue, and the trick here is to work faster than you would with the stamping polish because this is gonna dry out faster. And if you're new to stamping, you can watch my video on how to stamp for beginners, where I also test several brands with regular nail polishes just to show you how you can do it. And I also have a video on troubleshooting for stamping if you're interested or if you can't make it work. Now for my index, I'll be using the same stamp but removing all the design that I'm not gonna need with just a dotting tool wrapped in a piece of Scotch tape, and I'm gonna put the stamp on the upper part of my nail. I call the upper part the one that is closer to the cuticle, but maybe that will be for you the lower. So here I'm repeating the same process for my pinky nail, but I'm just stamping in the lower part of my nail. For the thumb, I decided to go with the full nail design, and with a piece of Scotch tape after, I'm just gonna remove all the excess that got in my skin. This is gonna avoid using acetone and dry out to match the skin. So here it is, and then I decided to change my pinky nail just to make it similar to the index. So I just removed that one and I did it again. Once that part is ready, I'm gonna apply 1 coat of the Manology Smudge Free Top Coat. Even though the regular polishes are not likely to smudge, I don't want to risk it, so I always use this one, and I put on top of that the other regular top coat. So this one would be good to go from Essie just to give a smooth and shiny look at the end in all my nails. If you're very careful, you can still use only the regular top coat if you don't have the other one. Now I'm gonna apply my matte top coat. This is Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. This is a regular top coat, so don't worry, you're not gonna need a lamp to cure it or anything like that. They just claim to have that gel look in your nails when you apply it. So then I will apply cuticle oil, and this is the final look for my left hand. And I love the color combination in this one. I think it looks super beautiful, and the matte finish really makes the color pop. Now for my other hand, I'll be using Cirque Colors High Society, and I'll be applying 3 coats. This is a very bright and neon green with some copper and golden shimmer. Super beautiful color for the summer. And for the stamping, I'll be using Essie Off Tropic. This is a regular nail polish again, so you don't need stamping polishes necessarily. Just make sure that you work fast and also choose more pigmented colors. The consistency in the regular nail polish is a little bit thinner than the stamping polishes. It's better if you choose darker colors because they're more pigmented and they're more likely to stamp well. I didn't use any sticky base coat or anything like that. I just have my nails already tacky from the 3 coats that I apply from the polish. But if you need more time, you can apply 1 coat of the Orly Bonder or sticky base coat just to make sure that your design is gonna transfer to your nail when you stamp it. But it's not required. In this case, I didn't use it as long as you work fast. These nails look super good with a glossy finish or with a matte top coat. In this case, I'm just matching my other hand with the matte finish, and I really love how it turned out. Here are my 2 hands. I really love the color combination, and the stamping is super simple. So if sometimes you don't have the time to do reverse stamping, or in this case I didn't want to do something too complicated, I just wanted some simple stamp, here's an option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.